Dear children, let us study the last topic of our chapter, and that is soil testing. Soil is examined for its color, texture and proportion of organic matter in it. For this, soil sample is prepared by drying that soil for 8 to 10 days in the shade, and then it is sifted with the help of sieve, and then it is sent for the soil testing. There two tests are done in government laboratories, pH and electrical conductivity, and depending upon the reports, soil is determined whether it is fertile or it is infertile or less fertile. Then what is pH? You must be thinking, what is pH? pH is concentration of hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ion concentration is called pH. This concept of pH is put forth by the Danish scientist Sorensen, and depending upon this pH, this soil is divided into three types: acidic soil, neutral soil and alkaline soil. Acidic soil has pH less than 6.5. Less than 6.5, it is acidic. And neutral pH, neutral soil, it has pH from 6.5 to 7.5. Alkaline soil, it has pH more than 7.5. The range of pH is 0 to 14. 0 to 14. And less than 6.5 is in acidic, then neutral 6.5 to 7.5, whereas in alkaline the pH is more than 7.5 up to 14. And in this way the pH decides whether it is acidic, neutral or alkaline. And neutral soil, it is useful for fertile soil. Now, if the soil has less fertility, diminished fertility, what will be the reasons behind this? For that, soil pH, if it is less than 6 and more than 8, at that time it may cause the soil less fertile. Then low proportion of organic matter, it will also lead to reduce the fertility of soil. After that, if there is no proper drainage of water from that soil, then also it will lead to, it will affect its fertility. Then if repeated cultivation of the same crop is done, if we cultivate same crop every time, at that time also it will reduce its fertility. Then continuous use of saline water, excessive use of fertilizers, chemical fertilizers as well as pesticides. Pesticide means kidnashak, and fertilizer khat. In this way, if we use them in excessive quantity, at that time also it will reduce the fertility of soil. In this way, these are the causes of diminished soil fertility, and all these things about soil have been covered by us in these units.